Hello! Welcome back to the Hot Lap weekly update. We do it here every week. You know what it is. If you're first time here, welcome. My name's Malcolm from Faction Motorsports. And I'm here to just talk to you, chat with you, let you know what we got going on here at your, New Jersey's JDM specialist. Am I right? Yeah. Back by popular demand, by the way. I was able to get our friend back here. Convinced him to be a 1099 employee, so without further ado, welcome. Chip is back. Chip, the three-legged Pomeranian. He's mic'd up. I gave him a little haircut I got a little bored during the winter storm that just came. I was sitting home alone, and I just looked at him, and I was like, I think you need a haircut. Shut it. He wants his strawberry. This is his favorite toy. All right, Chip, let's do the hot lap. All right, you're going to bring that or no? Okay, whatever. Today is the 28th. We have until the 31st, which is Saturday, for you to get your last orders in for this month's giveaway. We're giving away an Origin Labo body kit of your choice. Any car you want. If we have it in stock, we'll ship it to you right away, free of charge. If it's not in stock, it'll be on the next container. So get those orders in. Every $5 spent is one entry into the giveaway. Did you place an order yet, Chip? He just wants the strawberry. He wants that strawberry face S15. I don't know. So you got until Saturday. Get those orders in. Every $5 spent is one entry. Don't forget it. Don't forget it. All right, what do we got going on? What is our product of the week? For those of you who don't know, we sell Cusco parts. This is a Z33 strut bar in stock, ready to go if you're interested. If you're looking for any other Cusco parts, they got a lot in stock over at the warehouse, so let us know. We got them. Also here we have a Fluidampr for KA24, I believe, right?
I think Jimmy Oaks is the reason this exists, by the way.
They made it just for him?
I think so. He was saying something about this. Yeah, I'm really stoked on this. Uses fluid instead of, whatever the that uses. Rubber, I guess? I don't know how the fuck that works. Ken, you know how the the ATI one works? Because this, I know that they have, this is pretty much like non-serviceable. Like, you don't have to really service this, but those ones eventually...
Yeah, you gotta rebuild them, right?
They should be rebuilt, but, I don't know what the lifespan is on those things. I think it's relatively long, though.
So is there like a clutch type system in that thing? No?
I don't think so. No. I really don't know. I know we had a whole video on it. So if you want to check that out, I don't remember what I said.
Yeah, that was like 2 years ago, back when this place wasn't finished yet.
I kind of want to open this, but it's a pain in the ass, so I guess I'm not. Damn. But yeah, this is in stock, so if you guys want one, we have it here. Also, we got a 350Z strut bar.
I already told him about that, baby.
Okay, it's nice, dude. This thing's nice. Why don't I see this on more cars?
Why don't we see it on your car?
Technically, it doesn't fit HR.
Chip, you gotta have some studio etiquette here.
Does he have a mic on him?
Yeah, I'm about to take it off. Dude, we gave you the PR training before this. He's talking back. I'm firing this guy. Get the mic off of you. How do you get this off? Any last words?
Anyway, yeah, this thing's sick. I think you can use it on HR, but you gotta use spacers or something. People have done it. Why do you think I bought it?
So you're gonna try it?
Maybe, possibly. If not, someone buy it, because it's on there now. We gotta add this to the website, Ken, if you haven't already. This thing.
And last but not least, we have an OEM S15 turbo.
You did this too?
No, not yet.
And it's not last.
Okay, not last. And not least. Regal! Oh, look at he just fades out of the camera.
Come here.
Mr. Clientele Coatings.
Mr. Clientele Coatings, who won't come on the podcast. Let us know if you guys want to see Regal. Look, take
Get him. Oh, God. That is Mr. Clientele himself.
He's who does our powder coating. Let us know if you want to see a powder coater on the podcast, because
He's a little camera shy.
He's a little bit of a so, you know.
What do you got here?
I got some hydro stuff. Fun fact, I own a drift shop. I don't know about hydraulic handbrakes.
Because he doesn't use them.
I literally never installed one. Don't know anything about them. So we're going to learn together. Don't need that. So this is a Willwood setup. I've seen this on other sites and whatnot, and this looks like a pretty legit setup. I mean, Willwood is a great brake company, so I figured this would be pretty nice setup. It actually is really nice.
What is that made out of? Aluminum?
I have no idea. I would guess so. It's pretty light. And then we got master cylinder here. So this is like if you're running not an inline setup. What do you call it?
Yeah, they call this the GS Compact Master Cylinder. So it looks a little, you know, space saving. Save you some space in the engine bay.
Oh, it's got the reservoir attached to it, it looks like. Yeah, instead of being separate. Most of the time the reservoirs are separate. Oh, Jesus is here.
What do you got for us, Jesus?
Just the truck, MPI, the truck. Not much. It's got an oil leak by the oil filter, you know.
Typical work stuff.
Yeah.
Work truck stuff.
Yeah, rear tires, and then it needs an oil change. That's about it.
We'll get you right, brother. We'll get you right.
This thing's pretty nice.
Might throw one in the 240.
No, but this is really nice. We're putting one in a BM. Yeah. I mean, this is what I got. I mean, he said he wanted some crazy handle. I was like, dude, I'm the wrong person. I don't know anything about this stuff, so this is what you're getting.
Thing looks like a brass knuckle.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah. What?
That's an ass knuckle.
That's the moose knuckle. All right. Anyway, yeah, this should be cool once we got it set up. I mean, I'm sure Chris has done this before. I have not. That's why I don't work here. We should have these on our website too. We're gonna put these on the website. So if you guys want to get some entries for our giveaway, and you need a hydro in your car,
A few more days left.
only a few more days left. So get them in.
All right. Well, that's about it for new products. Little product showcase for you guys. Give you a little sneak peek of what we carry. How should I turn this off? What else do we got going on?
So I guess, what is it, a mountain mouse? I guess so.
Mountain. Did he bring him inside already? Yeah. Regal, Mr. Clientele Coatings. Mr. Coatings. Pop his Instagram up right here. He is in the northern New Jersey area. He powder coats everything. He powder coats everything from wheels, bike frames, bicycle frames, industrial parts, anything you need. What you got for us today, Regal? Hellcat wheels.
You guys better cut this one out.
No, hell no. Hellcat wheels. What is he getting them powder coated?
Powder coated tire, mountain mounts.
Damn, he does the whole shebang for you in his own shop. So go check out Clientele Coatings if you need some powder coatings. Where'd Chip go? We got some comments on the last hot lap about Chip. I want to let him know he's got some fans. Come on, Chip. Come on, follow me. Come on. All right. Come here. And now sit down. There you go. So you had some... Sir. All right. Well, Chip, you had some love on the last podcast. On the last hot lap, episode 94. Where... Mr. Jay-Z says, doggo moves pretty well for having 3 legs. Cool dog. And there he goes. Hopefully he doesn't drink some coolant. What is Gwendolyn Nojada 8950 says, not to be dramatic or anything, but I would die for Chip. What a guy. And then she asked some questions. Why the name Chip? Well, we named him Chip because I also have a cat, and his name is Dale. Had that cat for like 5 years, so we got this guy and said, let's name him Chip and Dale. Number two question: faction merch featuring Chip ASAP. You'd probably want.
Chip sniffing the Chris's car.
Yeah. Yep, that's the merch right there.
Jimmy had peeing.
You can smell the cat's, Chip. Chris got cats all over his car. Come here. Come here. This guy's hyped. Do you guys like his haircut? Kind of his up, not gonna lie. I gave him a haircut myself, and then, like, just 10 minutes after, it was just him and I in the apartment. I just look at him, and I just go, I your up, Chip. He was a good sport, though. He just sat there and let me him up. If you haven't already, go check out our last podcast with Ron of Daring Ones. Speak about a lot of random stuff. A lot about BRZs. If you're into BRZs, he's a big BRZ guy. Got some comments on there.
Ooh, look at the ice.
Let's see. Mike says, I cannot think of anything slower than an NA RB20. No torque whatsoever. RB20. Do you like RB20s, Chris? 25 over the 20. Do you like RB20s, Jesus?
What?
You like RB20s?
Waste of time.
Waste of time.
RP20.
But you like your RB25?
Yes.
Little bias. All right, what else we got? Where's the ice? This ice?
That's the ice.
Look at the Hellcat wheels. Oh, these are already freshly powder coated. Look at this work done by Clientele Coatings. What do you think, Chip? Chip. This guy's getting too comfortable. Very nice, like gray. It's like an OEM-ish looking color. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. What are they putting on this Hellcat? Extreme contacts? Dang. 275 40 20s. Big boys. Would you drive a Hellcat, Chip? You don't like cats. You'd get a hell dog. Hey, come here, Chip. So Frankie and the crew has been working on the 350Z for quite some time. Fix some rust underneath the battery. Put the new rad support on. There's going to be a whole video coming pretty soon. Eddie's working on it right now, actually. He started fitting up the body kit. But for those of you who have owned Origin Lab, you know it takes a little bit of massaging to get it on. Chip, get out from under there. Come here. He's about to do an MPI on that thing. What the hell? Ooh, let's check out this Skyline over here. Almost forgot this. Chip. Come here. So we got this R33 GT-R here. It's cammed, so it sounds pretty cool. Can't start it right now, though. What did you do on this thing, Chris?
Clutch.
Clutch job.
Axle.
Axle. What else?
Swing bar end links.
Sway bar end links. Alignment. Is that it?
Well, you gotta leave the Tesla.
No, I mean that's
part of it.
Yeah, that's about it. That's all the main things. Ah, Chip, let him go. Thing's pretty cool. Got some cool, those Defi gauges up there?
I think so, yeah.
Cool little Defi gauges on the dash. Yeah, they're Defi. Pretty cool. Definitely cool. Yeah. Yeah, what else?
That's the main thing.
Yeah, the clutch job was the main main thing. But yeah, this thing is cool. Got some LMGT4s with some endless calipers and brakes. Thing's pretty cool. This isn't the original hood, right? It's like a Cybon hood.
That's a sidebond hood.
Because it looks like Jesus' hood. Cybon hood. And this thing is wrapped.
Yes.
Right? Oh, not too shabby. Pretty cool. What's your favorite Skyline out there, guys? I think this would be my favorite. This is my favorite GTR.
Put in the chat. LMGT4 or LMGT2?
What other LMGTs are there? Is that the only two?
Yeah.
What happened to 1 and 3? LMGT2s or LMGT4s? What's your pick, guys? I think I would go LMGT2s.
LMGT1 is the same as that. LMGT1 is the same as that.
That's yours?
It's 18, but not step lip. Like, here, come.
Come. Let's get a little wheel lesson. Chit! Oh, he's over here. Okay, come on. Let me learn you something. Come here. Sit. Sit down. There you go. Thank you. Sit.
You see this?
Sit.
See this step right here?
Yeah.
This is GT2. LMGT1 is flat,
Just flat.
but it's still a two-piece.
So 1 is flat.
Yeah.
This is 2.
This is LMGT2.
Yeah. Now you know. Now where's LMGT3?
Right?
Hey. All right. Well, that is about it for today, I believe. We have a podcast coming out tonight with Daikoku NYC, car culture club out in New York City. They will be here. It's going to be live on the Patreon, starting at probably around 7-ish. It'll be live on everything else tomorrow, so be sure to check in. Don't forget to check out the Patreon if you'd like to watch it live. Only $5. And there's other ways to support us even more on there. So go check that out. Chip, we got to say farewell. Come here. Come on, Chip. I'm here. All right, send Chip back to the heavens.
That'll be our first freeze frame in a while.
Nothing beats the sound of that cam. Oh, he's going on a test drive. He's out. I thought he was turning around. Well, see you guys later. Chip. The mascot.
We are giving away products every month at factionmotorsports.com, so every $5 spent gets you 1 entry, and Faction Motorsports merch and products get you double entries. For this month, we're giving away an Origin Lapo body kit, so this is one of our biggest giveaways of the year. So definitely head over there and put those orders in this month to make sure you get your next body kit locked down for 2026.